Hey mates, you are at Tech Solutions YouTube channel. In this video we are going to show you how you can install Docker on your Void Linux. Void Linux is altogether a different Linux distro for computers out there. Installing Docker on Void is fun and learn at the same time. Let's see how to install Docker and run it on Void Linux. We are on the most recent build of Void Linux. Open Terminal app on your Void Linux. Update your Void Linux using the standard Xbps package manager. Please do not skip this step. Install Docker using the shown on-screen command. This may take a while to download and install the Docker required components on Void Linux. Please have patience during this. It's done. Docker is installed successfully without any error. You can confirm Docker installation using Docker version command. Now before you can start using Docker on your Void Linux you must start containered and Docker service. These can be started as shown. Let's try running Docker Hello World image on our Void Linux. Pull the Hello World image using the shown command. Once pulled, run it with the shown command. Got the similar output? Docker is installed and set up correctly on your Void. Let's run Ubuntu Docker Image on our Void Linux. Pull the Docker image. You can list the Docker images on your Linux with the shown command. Let's run Ubuntu. It's working flawlessly. Try updating it. It's working great. Ubuntu is being run in a Docker container on Void Linux. Anything to ask? Comment it. Thanks for watching. Good day.